How to fix Instagram call problem. So in today's video I'm going to show you 3 ways to fix Instagram call problem easily and fast. The first way is you have to open the settings and then you have to go into the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone, as you know. So all what you want to do is scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. When you click on it, it will take you to the app informations page. Or what you want to do here is click on force stop and then click on storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go back, click on the power usage details, and then go to the app launch. And now you have to disable this option and click OK. That's it, guys. Now you have to open the Play Store and search for Instagram and update it into the latest version. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial until the end.